Being a woman should mean learning never to tolerate disrespect. This Women's Month, I want to remind every woman of something important. Love yourself more because that is what you deserve. What recently happened to Ann Curtis reminds us that even today, women can still become the subject of ridicule and disrespect. Sometimes it comes in the form of jokes, comments, or behavior that others think are harmless, but can actually be degrading. But we are no longer living in a time when women should remain silent. Speaking up about harassment, disrespect, and abuse is not something to be ashamed of. We are women. So why should we tolerate being looked down upon by others, or worse, by our own husbands? Why should women be blamed for failed marriages? Why should anyone be treated like a slave in their own home? Those days should already be behind us. The days when women silently endured violence, emotional abuse, and disrespect while crying quietly in one corner. If you are a woman experiencing gaslighting, disrespect, or abuse, it has to stop. But sometimes, the first step begins with you, having the courage to stand up for yourself and ask for help. If loving someone has broken you, if you keep giving love while receiving pain, step out of that cycle. Choose yourself. Start again. Stop loving others so much that you forget how to love yourself. Now, I understand my mother when she told me, never become jobless, even if your husband can provide for you. I have nothing against women who choose to be housewives. In fact, I deeply honor you. Taking care of a family is one of the hardest jobs in the world. To the mothers who stay up all night breastfeeding their babies, changing diapers, cooking meals, doing laundry, helping their children in their studies, you are all amazing. But there is truth in this. Having your own career is power. Having your own money is power. Today, women are educated, capable, and accomplished. To all the women who worked hard to succeed, despite discrimination, limitations, and societal expectations, I salute you. You are a woman, so stop belittling yourself and believe in how great you can become. You can be unstoppable. You can be limitless. But you will never truly know your strength unless you step out of your comfort zone and start living the life you deserve. And always remember this. No matter who you are or what you're going through, you are never lacking. You are enough. Happy International Women's Month to all the beautiful, brave, strong women out there. If you agree, comment I choose myself below.